So if you've always wanted to create AI projects in Python but never did because the AI API of that AI will cost you something, so you need not worry about that because Ola Krutrim Cloud has made it free for everyone till Diwali. So you can go ahead, explore the cloud, explore the Krutrim AI, the AI of India itself, which is being developed by Ola Group. You can explore that till Diwali and it is completely free for you. So what we are going to do now is create a very simple Python application which is going to generate an image from for you with a simple prompt. So for that, once you're logged in into Ola UI, okay, that login process is also very simple. You just go to Ola Krutrim and then sign up, and after signing up you will be able to see this dashboard. And then we'll go to models. After models, we'll select the stability diffusion model basically, so that we can generate an image. Scroll down, there's a first example of curl. We'll not use curl, we'll go directly for the Python one. Okay, so just copy the code, scroll down, copy the code. Okay, this is the complete code copied. Now we'll open our VS code. Now in VS code, just copy paste your code. These are some models which you need to import, obviously not all the ones, but yeah, please do that. If you don't have, please import this. Then you have a payload which is having your prompt and your model name. You can leave the other parameters as is or change if you want to change. Okay, the next thing after payload, we have a header. The header is basically going to give and take JSON data, the content type. The authorization is something you need to look at, okay, because here you need to give your API key. This API key will generate in a minute. This is the URL of the model which we will need to hit so that we can get our data. This is a request, the post request, and then the response. If the response is successful, then we will be getting the image data. Now you can see right here in this example what we are getting. We are getting image bytes. So we don't want bytes. What we want to have an image. So let me convert this image, sorry, let me convert these bytes into an image. So we have imported image here, right? You can see this image. So we'll go image dot open, and then from that IO and then bytes, and then you just pass your bytes here, and what it will do, it will convert your bytes into an image. So we'll pass my bytes here. Now after that, you have option to save your image. So you can save, and you need to just give any name, my file new .png. Let me do one more thing. Let me not save, let me not save it only, we will show it as well once, so that once the image is generated, it will directly come up on the screen. So we'll show, we'll give a title it randomly. Oh, let me give it randomly title only, randomly. Okay, okay, it's saved now. So the only thing left is your key which you need to create. So for creating your key, again go back to your Ola UI. Under models itself, you can see API keys. Click API keys, and right now I don't have any key, so I'll create a new key. We can name it new key itself. New key. Create a new key, and this is your new key. Copy the new key, go back to your VS code, and replace it with this. You can obviously do it better way. Don't hard code your keys. Obviously, create an environment file, put it in that environment file, and import it from there, or key it in your environments, something like that. Don't directly put it here. This is not a good practice. This is just for showing how you can do this. Okay, so let's save it, and after saving it, I'm going to just run it. The prompt here, we have cat on a couch. So let me change this prompt to something else. Let me change it to uh, crow on crow in a swim swimsuit. Crow in a swimsuit. Okay, let your imagination go wild. Okay, it's saved, and let me run this, and we'll see what we are getting. Do. It takes a bit of time, so that what it is. Okay, it is not showing in a swimsuit, so that is disappointing. Cat on a couch, I think that's an older image that came. But that is very disappointing that it didn't show us the crow, like crow in a swimsuit. I wanted to see a crow in a swimsuit. Let's try that again. Let's try that again. Let's run this. Let's crow wearing a swimsuit. Let's change the prompt. Okay, this is prompt engineering. Okay, getting the response you want. Crow wearing. Oh, wearing spelling is wrong. Crow wearing a swimsuit. Okay. And then again, where is run? And then again run. Hmm. So I was going to tell you that what is happening. It is going to it is making an API call. Okay, that call is going to Krutrim and then it is coming back. Huh. I think now it is wearing a swimsuit. Like this is something like a swimsuit. Let's give it another try. Let's create something else now, something more reasonable. So what I want to see is I want to see a car uh, being driven by who should drive a car? Grasshopper. A grasshopper should drive the car with his friend the panda. Okay, panda is fine, right? Panda, no exclamation mark. Panda is fine. So let's do this. Run Python and done. Let's see what it gives. It is going to make the API call, get it back into bytes. Bytes can be converted, and then the output on the screen should come. Um, it is having a paint panda, and I don't know what this is. This is not a grasshopper. So okay, I think there is so much scope of improvement here. Let's do something simple. Let's do actually a buffalo sitting on a chair. Okay, let's do a buffalo sitting on a chair. That's fairly simple. I think this should be like the AI should be able to do this. Okay, then run, let it run. It's running. We have already done so many of trials. And ta-da. Huh. So it is giving some correct things. It is not the complete buffalo, but some part of the buffalo is sitting on a chair. But that is basically the gist of it, of how you can do this. Let's do one more thing. What we should generate, we should try to generate something realistic. Okay. A sunset uh, with the beautiful. What is the spelling of beautiful? Okay, that's correct, I guess. With a beautiful lake view. Okay, I think that is fairly simple, and we should be able to get an answer for that. Let it run, and wait a second. It should give you something. Oh, see, the image is fairly good actually. So it is a sunset and with a lake. So I hope you have an idea or basic idea of how you can go and utilize this for your projects, for your applications. And I think if not industry level, you should be able to make something at your personal level, obviously. And since it is free, explore, be wild with it. And if you like to see more of these things, do like, do share, and please do subscribe. Thank you. We'll see you soon again.